What is up, my dudes, and welcome back to another vlog. I'm gonna wax up the fish. My friend Ross should actually be coming this time, so we'll see. And I'll put in a little time lapse of the fish waxing up. Yeah. Ross is here. Welcome to the vlog, Rossi. I'm gonna put his name on the screen. Rossi, do you want your name on the screen? Snap for your name on the screen. Oh my goodness, there it was. Okay, so we're gonna take down these two boards. Ross is gonna help me carry down one of them because he's amazing, and I can't carry this because it's like freaking really long. So we'll meet you down at the beach and see you then. We're at the beach and I'm still freezing from yesterday because my wetsuit's still wet. So we're gonna go. We're just gonna catch the whitewater waves. I'm gonna do a little surfing on this. And I'm gonna do a little tutorial on this because I don't know. Just do little whitewater tricks. I don't know. So I'm just gonna give you a tutorial how to get up just in case, because like I know I've been saying that I surf and all that stuff, and you don't even know how to get up. Maybe if you're watching this, that I don't know. So I'll show you. Here we go. Okay, so here it is with the longboard. I'm gonna show you how to get up because on the longboards they're normally a bit slower and you have a bit more time to, get up and get ready. So you're gonna be on the board, of course. Your feet are gonna be flat. You're paddling into the wave. When you get up, you're gonna want to push up. Slide your foot forward and get your feet waving. But since you want to get It's hard regular for me because I'm not regular, but it's so. I'm going to start going out, probably on that board for now. Here you go. Okay, so I'm going to be paddling out on this. I'm going to do a little tutorial if I can, and just a little whitewater on how to do like little longboard whitewater tricks. It's going to look stupid just because it's not an actual side wave. So, here we go. I'll be paddling out. Switching from board to board, yes, but I just like that. I'm gonna get the other board and just surf the same type of wave. So here we go. Now I'm gonna take this board. I waxed it up a little bit, so I'll see how that works, and I'll take it out. I'll try to do something. So here we go. That was a really weird get up. Yeah.
Derpity derp 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 derpity derp 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 derpity derp 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 derpity derp derp
Why is it so hard to surf?
Yes.
I don't think this board is meant for me. I'm gonna end off this failure of surfing. This board is really, really hard. So, in conclusion, this board's really hard to surf, but it's worth practicing for when you can actually surf some waves. And yeah, so thank you guys for watching. Please do like and subscribe. That would be very helpful and awesome. Subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Peace out. God bless you all the rest.